Okay, so I just realized I need to secure my gateway at home. So this is me eating my own dog food using Jibril. Let's see. Right. So let's install it as a systemd daemon. I want to install as sudo. Now I want to enable it now. Let's see if it works. Okay, so theoretically it's running. Cool. And now let's see the configuration file. So I have all the detections enabled plus the flows. I don't want the flows, I just want detections because this is my gateway at home for a bunch of computers I have. So let's change it. So I don't want the network policy applied. Fire log for detections is okay. I don't want flows. And that's it. Let's restart. It takes some time to restart because at the end of the execution, it walks everything and checks if there is a detection before shutting down. That's good for GitHub runs or CI/CD runs, for example. So when you're shutting down, you make sure that everything is secured. All right, so let's see. Okay. All right. So this is working. It's gonna start detecting things, and I'll be parsing this file to see. The good thing is that some noise that you see in the beginning, like for example OS status file being opened, those will eventually get away because there is a limit on how many times detection happens for a binary, for its parent, so if it's noisy, it's going to be noisy just in the beginning, but not forever. So I just saw, like for example, here I have interpreter spawning a shell. It's the health check from Docker, from containerd shim, so it's legit, but it's the last time it's going to happen because, like I said, there are some measures in Jibril to avoid noise. So that's it. Now I have Jibril running in my gateway at home, and I'll be following this file and checking for detections.